Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing for you from One Day Saving. I have worked with them before and they have been kind enough to send me a few items for review. So let's get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the very smallest thing that was in there. This is a super cute Coverminder. Comes in a very cute little box as well, which you could definitely reuse. And let me just bring that up to you. Oh. It's like a little purple. Oh, we're not getting in focus, are we? Aha. There we go. Okay, so we've got this little purple glittery sort of slime drop with rhinestone cheeks and 310 eyes, and it has got two I think they're called Neodyne. I'll put it on the screen if I can find out the proper name, but it's the type of magnet anyway that is really good. They're also nice thin magnets, which means it's not going to leave a big lump in your canvas. So there's a million and one uses for these. Primarily I use them to hold back the clear cover on my canvases, and then also I have many beautiful Coverminders now that just decorate my workspace because I've got quite a lot of metal things that I can stick them to. So yeah, really, really lovely, super cute. I will give you a price for that on the screen now. Okay, so next up we'll go for the small box. This is a cup mat, and oh, it's not sealed, so I can just, right, okay. So we get a ceramic cup mat with the diamond painting on top. I assume that's got a clear coat on it. Ah, yes. Yeah, found the edge now. There we go. So, yeah, that's got its clear cover, and then this is sticky for us to place our drills. Nice, simple design. Should be very effective when it's finished. And then we've got a cork backing, similar to the sort of thing that I've used before when I've done my spare drill cut mats. We then get regular old boat wax pen and our 4 colours of drills. So we've got some bronzy ones, we've got fairly white, black, and then some paler gold. These two are not quite the same. So that should be a nice afternoon project, something quick and easy to do, and I'm sure you guys will get to see it when it's finished. I'm quite pleased with that. Again, price on the screen. And finally, something for the summer. Any of you who have watched my videos for a little while will know that as a pagan, seasonal celebrations are really important to me, and I have been slowly collecting a wreath type design for each seasonal festival. So when I saw this one with sunflowers, I just couldn't resist. It's got bumblebees and sunflowers. It is a plastic, what's the word? I can't even think of the word. But yeah, so it's a plastic backing but sturdy. I don't think, no, we've got no hanging points for it, and no, so I guess you could add those yourself, display it any way that you wanted. And then in terms of drills, excuse the crinkling. Right, we have got green, lots of yellow gold, and these are all rhinestone style. That is a dark brown, a black, a very pale lemon drop kind of colour, blue grey, a really lovely teal colour, and a browny colour, and then we've got two special shapes. They are these my brain is gone. Seed shapes, I think. No, marker seeds. Anyway, we've got, turn it over. There you go. So we've got two special shape drills, and they go, let's see, where do they go? So it's C and V. So we've got some that are going here into the centre of this flower and this one, and then where do the seeds go? Why can't I see the seeds? Oh, okay, so it's another, these little tiny flowers that are crowding around the bumblebees. So I thought that was very cute. Again, these are, you know, cheap and cheerful items, quick projects. They are the sort of things that I like to do, maybe sat on the sofa rather than sitting at my desk, just because, and these sort of things are great if you're going away and you want to take a little project with you, particularly something like the glasses case that I did a little while ago. This was great, particularly because the drills and everything for the project were kept inside, so it was a really compact, easy thing to take with you. You've got something to do to keep yourself busy if you need to. So, enough waffling. That's all from me for today. One Day Saving have been kind enough to offer my subscribers a 5% discount code. That is Arietta 05 off. So that's Arietta 05 OFF. So please do enjoy that. Make use of it. There are other discount codes should you wish to check them out in the description for the video. There will also be links for all of these products in the description. I couldn't be happier. These are very cute little items. I can't wait to get started, and I look forward to showing you them either when they are in progress or completed. So, as always, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!